Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to prevent duplication of the field using attribute copy is equals to false. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to disable a create, edit and deletion of a record in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So currently I am in my library management module. In this module, there is a button here. On clicking on it, I simply create a new record. So what if I don't want to show this particular new button? So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the code. In the code, open the view. It is library view. In the library view, go to the tree view or particularly list view. Here, as you can see, it is a list view, and in the list view, you simply need to add an attribute known as create is equals to 0. By default, it will be set as 1. 1 means true. Now, if we set create is equals to 0, it will set it as false, which means the user cannot create any of the records. Let's see. I restart the server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading, go to the library management. See, now there is no new button showing in the list view. Why? Because I have set create attribute is equals to 0, which means false. So now a user cannot create a record from the list view, but he can create from the form view. So what to do if I have to disable this create in this form view? It is very simple. We simply need to add create attribute in the form view as well. Same thing here, create, Control C, and in the form view, here in the form tag, simply paste it. Now just restart the server, go to the code. Let me keep it here so I can show you. Duplicate the tab, go to the apps, upgrade my module, then simply go to our module and click any of the record. See, you can see the difference. In here you can see new button was showing, but here when we added create is equals to 0, this button has been disabled or removed. Why? Because we have set create is equals to 0. Similarly, if you want, let's say here in the book view, when I click on any of the record and click on action, I can see the delete option right here. So what if I don't want any of the user to delete this particular or any of the records? What I can do, I can simply add an attribute known as delete in the list view. Let's see. Go to the code in the list view. Here is our list view. I simply add delete is equals to 0. Then I'll simply restart my server. Go to the apps. Here I will just show you here as well. Okay. Then I'll upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading our module, we can simply go to our library management and select any of the record, click on action. See, now you cannot see the delete option for any of the record, while here in previous you can see there is a delete option. Why? Because we have added an attribute delete is equals to 0 in list view. Same thing can be applied in the particular form view as well. Also, there is one more thing. There is, we can simply in here form view, if I open any of the record, I can able to edit any of the record, right? So what if I want to disable this edit thing? We can simply add edit attribute to the form view or list view as per your preference. I will show you here. Go to the code and in the form view, here in the form tag, add edit is equals to 0. After adding, simply restart your server. Go to the apps, upgrade your module. After successfully upgrading your module, go to the library management, open any of the record. See, now I am not able to change any of the particular fields. Why? Because I have set edit is equals to 0. This all the three attributes, namely create, where is here? Yes, create, delete and edit, all the three attributes can be applied to the list view as well as form view as well. So in order to limit the usage of the particular records to the other user, you can simply add this type of attribute as per your requirement. When you need this type of requirement, for example, if you want to show a particular records but you don't want them to create new or delete any of the records, so in that case you can add create is equals to 0 or delete is equals to 0. Similarly for the edit case as well. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Also, let me just quickly summarize it. In order to disable the create, edit and delete option for the list view and form view, all you need to do is go to the view of that particular module or model. In that model, search for, if you want to apply in the list view, you search for the list tag. If you want to apply in the form view, you can simply go to the form tag and add the attribute create. If you want to stop creating, create is equal to 0. If you want to stop edit, then you can add edit is equal to 0. If you want to stop deleting, then you can add delete is equal to 0. And simply restart the server and upgrade your module and the code will work fine. That's it from today. Thanks for watching.